In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a project on Netlify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a site live using either a Git provider or a quick file upload, all from the Netlify dashboard. Start by heading to your Netlify dashboard and opening the project section from the left sidebar. This is your central place to create, view, and manage sites, so it's the best place to begin a new deployment. Next, choose Add New Project. This opens Netlify's onboarding flow and presents a few different ways to get your code online. You can keep things simple or take advantage of deeper Git integrations depending on what you need. On the next screen, you'll see an option to start building with an AI agent, or you can import a Git repository. The AI route can help scaffold and configure basics for you if you want guidance. If you already have a repository ready to go, importing from Git gives you a clean, repeatable deployment that updates automatically whenever you push changes. If you're importing from Git, you'll be prompted to choose your provider. You can select GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or Azure DevOps. Pick the service where your repository lives. Netlify will guide you through any on-screen prompts to connect, and then you'll select the specific repository you want to deploy. This path is great for ongoing projects because every commit to your main branch can trigger a new build. If you'd rather get something live instantly without connecting Git, choose Upload Your Project Files. This is perfect for static sites, quick prototypes, or sharing a demo. You can drag and drop your project folder, a zip file, or even a single HTML file. For best results, make sure your build output is at the root of what you upload and that your main entry file is named index.ml so the site loads correctly. If you prefer a file picker instead of dragging and dropping, choose a folder, select the folder that contains your site files, and then click Open. The same guidance applies here. The folder you select should hold the final files you want served, not just your source code that still needs building. Once your files are selected, Netlify processes the upload and deploys your site. You'll see progress and logs right on the page, and a unique URL is generated when it's ready. That's it, your project is live and shareable in just a few clicks. To recap, open projects, add a new one, choose between the AI agent or importing from Git, or upload your files directly. Pick the path that fits your workflow and let Netlify handle the rest.